This is the number 19 Seagull word study quiz. Number 1, polar. Polar bears are very cute but dangerous. Number 1 is polar. Number 2, obsolete. Wall phones are now obsolete because of cell phones. Number 2 is obsolete. Number 3, paradigm. The company changed its paradigm with the consultant's feedback. Number 3 is paradigm. Number 4, reciprocate. She did not reciprocate his feelings. Number 4 is reciprocate. Number 5, rhapsody. The composer's rhapsody was felt by everyone in the audience. Number 5 is rhapsody. Number 6, immunity. After 2 COVID shots, you should have immunity from the disease. Number 6 is immunity. Number 7, perspicacity. The perspicacity of the detective made him very successful at his work. Number 7 is perspicacity. Number 8, frugality. The family's frugality was obvious when there were no name brands in the pantry. Number 8 is frugality. Number 9, notorious. Los Angeles is notorious for their traffic and smog. Number 9 is notorious. Number 10, senatorial. The senatorial race was very close. Number 10 is senatorial. Number 11, polarity. The polarity in the candidate's opinion was vast. Number 11 is polarity. Number 12, frugal. When you are frugal, you try to save money. Number 12 is frugal. Number 13, reciprocal. It was believed in the beginning that the Pilgrims and Indians' relationship was reciprocal. Number 13 is reciprocal. Number 14, immune. You must wait 2 weeks after your second shot to be immune to COVID. Number 14 is immune. Number 15, obsolescent. Much of our computer software is now obsolescent. Number 15 is obsolescent. Number 16, immunization. Many people in the United States have already scheduled their immunization. Number 16 is immunization. Number 17, reciprocity. Many early countries enjoyed the reciprocity in trading. Number 17 is reciprocity. Number 18, senator. He was a senator for the state of New York. Number 18 is senator. Number 19, rhapsodic. The rhapsodic music filled the auditorium. Number 19 is rhapsodic. Number 20, notoriety. Jesse James's notoriety lives on today. Number 20 is notoriety. Number 21, perspicacious. It was very perspicacious of you to find and solve the problem so quickly. Number 21, perspicacious. Number 23, paradigmatic. The paradigmatic change in the company surprised the stockholders. Number 23 is paradigmatic.